Very good morning, friends and traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Trading and investing involve risk. Please consult your financial advisor before making any trading or investment advice. Profit or loss is not responsible. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. So, with this disclaimer, I'm going to start the video. How you can trade an hourly. I'm coming up with a very good strategy, that is an hourly strategy. How I'm going to show you how you can utilize this hourly strategy with the help of this indicator, rolling pivot and Gann HiLo combo, and with added features of consolidation and big bar alerts and even the timestamps also. Let me go to the hourly time frame. Nifty. I'm going to show you a strategy over here. You have to mark the third hour of high and low. For example, yesterday, day before yesterday, the high and low of the, if you would have marked, you need to mark here. Let me take it out. Let me enable the magnet. This is a simple strategy. It is an observation. Third hour, 1, 2, 3. Third hour, I will pick up this tool right here. High and low should be marked. And for this thing, you can apply Alt V, vertical line also. So, this is the boundary where it, okay. I'm changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us go back to the previous day. You can see over here, I have marked the high and low of the hourly candle, third hourly candle. And here, actually everybody will see for the breakout of the stock. Instead of breakout, with the help of the indicator, we are getting the buy signal within this range itself. The buy signal was generated around 12:55. In this indicator, there is timestamp also. I'm going to enable timestamp so that it will mark the 12:15, 9:15, and this blue line is 2:30. So red color is 9:30, like that it is going to mark. Let me disable that. You can enable and disable this. That is the beauty of this indicator. Whatever you want, you can enable. In the rolling pivot, what we are going to do is, we are enabling only the pivot. The yellow line is pivot, R1 and S1. You need to do that. Not other things, R2, S2, it will clutter your charts. Only those things. Only if the market is trending, to know the level, suppose S1, S2 can be enabled when it goes up. Now you can see over here, with the hourly, what you are going to do is you are marking the high and low of the third hour candle like this. I have marked, let me make it dark so that you will see very nicely. I'll go there and I'll make it, oh sorry, here I'll make it dark. You know the boundary over here, it is not breakout. Breakout will be very late actually with the help of the this indicator. We are entering here, that is the level is 25,306 and the market rallied up to 25,356. And later in the afternoon, it gave breakdown. That is, I am not going to discuss this. This is the strategy. You are going to cash in the uh, profits with the help of this strategy by observation of the third hour breakout. Here on the third hour, the market, see, you can see 12:30 here, and then it rallied up to 2 p.m., 2:10 p.m. The market moved up to 2:10 p.m. The range was 25,290 to 25,356. That is around 66 points. 66 points you could have captured move in the third hour. Like that, let us check what happened yesterday. Yesterday, let me remove this. Same way, you are going to mark the hourly third hour. You have to change it to hourly time frame. You need to wait till the hourly time frame is formed. So I am marking the high and low of the hourly candle, third hourly candle. So I am going to the 5 minutes time frame. Here you can see indicator did not show, only for it was a scalping opportunity. Third hourly around 12 p.m. This is the time stamp 12:15. Just it was a false break out to so it immediately after this immediately the indicator is alerting sell and the Gann HiLo turned its color magenta, and repeatedly sell signal was generated even though the market went sideways. Immediately after this fall, big bar fall, the market went sideways. In this situation also, my contraction phase, starting phase, it indicates starting coloring the bars that market is going to go sideways. So you are not going to do any mistake, and this is a sell. You are entering around here. You are not panicking because price has come down below the pivot. It has lost its pivot. That is an hourly pivot. It has lost its pivot and price is below the pivot, and also price broke the support. That is an indication. All the three are there. You need to, while trading, you need to see all these things. So you can hold the position comfortably. You are not going to do mistake by seeing green candles. The only traders do mistake only here. They will get frightened by the green candle appearing. It has to appear after the fall. When a green candle appears, it is a pause, and you have to wait. It is telling you the alternate blue and violet color bars tells you this price is narrowing down and expansion is going to come soon. Here, same thing. The price, it was a step by step breakdown. Here you can see in this area, people tend to do mistake because if you see the price action over here, it is a fall. Let me take the tool. Here, I think I'll take this tool path. Here, people will think it is a V-shaped recovery. You can see the structure, this is the structure. And as price has crossed this structure, even before coding for this indicator, without the indicator, even I used to feel, as a pure price action trader, I used to feel this is a reversal. But the indicator is telling you it is just popping up to touch the pivot. This is the normal thing. Touch the pivot and getting rejected, and the market turned bearish throughout. You can see the Gann HiLo turning around. While closing, there was again consolidation over here. After tomorrow, we need to see so whether the market will continue down like this and continue like this, or a reversal will come in the market. Let us see what has happened on the Nifty. Let us go to daily time frame. Let me remove the drawings. This is the hourly strategy. You can do that. Even if you mark the hourly high and low, you will not be able to take the trade properly, enter the trade properly, because you cannot scalp it. It's actually for an option trader, scalping is the only thing which is available for them. So if you enter properly, time the entry, you can at least capture 20 to 30 points. Sometimes you will get more than that. Here on the daily time frame, and the beauty of this indicator is automatically this pivot changes the time frame to weekly. This is mentioning that I am changing to weekly. Why weekly? The pivot should be one time frame higher than the current chart time frame, because I am on the daily, if the pivots has to show on the weekly, then it will be correct. See, it has broken below the daily. You can see the price has broken below the daily pivot. Then it is showing weakness. We can anticipate for the continuation of this down move, and Gann HiLo support is here. Gann HiLo support is here. One more pivot support is around 25,004. Here the price has consolidated and it has moved. We need to see this level. 25,132 is very, very important level, because this is the level from the big bar has come out, and this is it will be considered as order block. Order block. When the price, if it dips down to this order block and reverses, closes outside the order block, then market Nifty may turn around and it may reverse. There is possibility. Today's price action is very, very important, and you need to see the price action. I think today is expiry, Tuesday. You need to trade very carefully. If it dips down and reverses, you can go long in the market. You need not worry, my indicator will help you to do that. So, you can message this number 83750 62010 so that you can get the access to the indicator with nominal price. So this indicator has been created for the educational purpose to support you people to learn the technical analysis better and also boost the psychology of the trader on intraday so that they will not make mistake. Most importantly, psychology is the main thing which makes the people to lose money. The reason I have explained it to you on the intraday, let me go to the 5 minutes chart. Here, even though it was a gap down, it is the indicator is telling you it is a sell. It is not a buy because the reason was it was below the hourly pivot. Price, this is the boundary territory for the restriction for the uh, price not crossing that. Price has lost its balance and it has fallen down. It was a huge gap down and it was a retracement to hit back to sell and rise only. And throughout the day, the market went sideways, and my indicator was telling you if I change it to 15 minutes time frame, indicator was never showed you buy. It was a sell. So you mark the sell, it within the Gann HiLo never turned to blue and putting a boundary territory that price is within the bearish territory. So any green candle, the people do mistake going to the call side, entering into the call side and make mistake, get trapped, and they don't make money. This will be avoided, and emotionally, when it goes to consolidation phase, you will come to know very early that price is going to consolidate. It started from here. You can see on this blue candle starts plotting. That is, it is a consolidation. I'm going to go sideways. It is indicating you before the range is happening. That is the beauty of the indicator. So many advanced features have been added into the indicator and taken care for the intraday trading, and even for the swing trade you can utilize this. That I am going to make video on the next time. This time you have learned hourly strategy. Hourly, what we are going to see on the third hour and marking the third hour high and low with the help of this indicator, you can trade better on intraday. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami.